Hello everyone, this is Neha Sharma. Today in this video, we will do exercises of chapter number 4 grammar, Cordova Learning Series 8 for class 8th. And the name of the chapter is Articles and Determiners. So dear kids, these articles are also the part of determiners, right? It's a kind of determiner, and we learned that determiners are the words that specify a noun and point at it. So whenever we want to get the determiner, or when we want to omit or edit the determiner, so first we have to locate the noun in the given sentence, right? And then it will be easy to get the do the editing, omission of determiners in that case. So here kinds of determiners are given on your first page. This is page number 28 of your book. You can see on your screen page number 28, and here we have learnt about the kinds of determiners, where we discussed number 1 is article, number 2 is demonstrative, number 3 is possessive, number 4 is interrogative, number 5 is quantifiers, and number 6 is distributives. So when we talk about article determiners, it's a, an, and the. Demonstrative are this, that, these, those. Possessive are my, our, his, her, etc. Interrogative, WH family words, and quantifiers some, any, much, many, several are there. And distributives are either, neither, each, every. And these words would be placed, will be placed before the nouns. Okay, this is very important concept which you have to learn. So let's discuss exercise number 8, which is given on page number 30, right? Page number 30. So please open page number 30 of your book. You can see the exercise here, right? This is exercise number A. So what you have to do, rewrite using a or an wherever required. So we know that that's a general concept, that a we have to use with the consonant sounds and letters, right? And n we have to use with vowels, sounds and the letters. Okay, so that we have learnt in the videos. So let's talk about the first sentence here. First sentence says, apple days keep the doctor away. So very first thing is to target the nouns. This apple is noun, right? Day is noun, doctor is noun. So इन्हीं से पहले क्या होना चाहिए, कोई आर्टिकल होना चाहिए. क्लियर? कीप्स के आगे यू कैन नॉट ऐड द के, द ऑलरेडी आर्टिकल है, और अवे से पहले भी यू कैन नॉट ऐड आर्टिकल. So let's talk about apple. Apple, this is apple. A is there. So what you will do here, you will place here an apple. Now a day, what is it? A day keeps the doctor away. So here it is already given, so that's right. So what you have added here, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I hope you understood. Next is, he is doctor by profession. So he is doctor by profession, it is given to you, and we have read also that whenever we talk about a profession and a community, we have to use what? He is a doctor. So when it is about singular, so here we will do he is a doctor by profession, right? So here it is a, where you will include this between is and doctor. So this will be placed here between is and, so I am writing here a. Beggars cannot be chooser. Beggars cannot be choosers. So this is what? This is a exact right sentence actually, because here what? Here we are talking about, beggar, right? Which is a community, or which you can see that's all the beggars we can do. And whenever it is what? Plural. So with plural we cannot use a and an, because this target only one thing, but here it is given beggars, right? So there you cannot add a or an. Next question is question number 4. Please give me cup of what? Cup of tea. So you have to first locate the noun. So that is what? Cup. T is also noun, but of is there, so you cannot do, right. So please give me, at one place you have to do a cup of. So where you will do? Here, between me and cup, you will do a cup of tea. Next exercise, next question is, I did lot of work today. I did lot of work today. See, lot of work when you do, so lot of work is nothing here, but what you have to add, a or an you have to do. So an lot of work, that is wrong. What is the right one? A lot of work. So I did a lot of work today. Between did and lot you have to do this. I did a lot of work today, because generally in this expression we have to use a. Harsh considered himself Einstein. So here we are talking about Einstein, right. Actually when we want to express right as a special meaning, when the proper name we want to express as a special meaning, because here we are comparing Harsha with Einstein, right. So himself, Harsha consider himself an Einstein. What is this? An Einstein. So before Einstein we will do an. Generally with the names, with the proper names, we do not use anything, but here we want to express a special meaning, right, of this sentence. What mess you have created? So what a mess you have created. So here what, between what and mess you will do a exclamatory sentence, and whenever the structure of what is there, so after what we have to do a or an, but here it is what, mess, so we have to do a. He is MP from Barakpur. So he is MP. With this MP, I have told you where the abbreviations like this. So whenever we speak, it is what, MP, a. It is giving sound of a, right? And this is what, vowel sound. This is vowel sound. So that's why we are using here an MP. So he is an MP from Barakpur. So this was all about your exercise number A, which was given on page number 30. Please note it down, and if you have done already, please check the answers done by you. Next, please open page number 31, and here you have to do exercise B. Exercise B, it is given on page number 31, and here this exercise says, tick the appropriate articles in the brackets to complete the sentence. And the first, it is here we are talking about article determiners here too, and a and the we have to choose as per the choice. So the we have to use with the that is called definite article. This the is known as definite article, right, and a and n and that is known as indefinite article. So the you have to use when you want to make anything particular. It is used to represent a class, right. It is used to show the quality of the adjective also, right, and with the superlative degree it is used, with the unit of measurement it is used. So many where we have done the editing of article, this the definite article, that video you have to show, right, you have to see that. So let's talk about this exercise number 1. Harsha was dash just a king. Harsha was dash just a king. So a, an and the option are given. So you, what is this? A, right? Harsha was just a king. So a just king you have to do. He found a dash umbrella on the foot. Now what is this? Umbrella, and this is getting the sound of u or a. U is there, right, but this is giving sound of a. So when it is giving the sound of a, this is vowel, and then you have to do an umbrella on the road. Next one is, this is pen I bought yesterday. Now the pen is particular because I bought it yesterday, right. So when the things are particular, we have to do the with that. So because the pen, we are talking about उस पेन की बात कर रहे हैं जो हमने कल खरीदा, जो मैंने कल खरीदा. So that is what particular हो गया, that is why the. I want to be dash pilot. अभी pilot, we have to check this pilot. Pilot is P, right, and this is what, consonant. So what you will do here, a. I want to be a pilot. Now the eggs cost rupees 50 dozen. ये आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ डजन, राइट. सो द इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड हियर बिकॉज सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. सो ए ऑन और एन में से कोई ऑप्शन होगा और डी जो है डजन, दैट इज स्टार्टिंग विद डी, कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. सो व्हाट इज द राइट ऑप्शन हियर? एन, राइट. सो ए एंड एन बोथ, एन एंड द बोथ आर रॉन्ग एंड अ इज राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस. Next is question number 6. I met Harish dash other day and showed me his new pen. So I met Harish the other day. What is the right answer here? The other day, and showed me his pen, right? And the next one is, we will be going to dash Alps this vacation. So Alps is what? I have told you this is mountain range, right? So with mountain range, Alps is a mountain range. What we have to use here? The. What we have to use? The with that. Next is an or the. Earth is an or the only planet where human beings live. So what is that? The Earth. What is this? The Earth, right? Because that is a common nouns which are unique. So what is that? The. So here with that we have to use the definite article. Is the only planet or is a only planet? So it is what? Is only planet. Here it is given the Earth is the only planet, right? Here the thing we are making particular. So is Earth, the Earth is the only planet where human beings live. Clear? So it is given on your book also, the things between like the first, the only, the same. So where you have to with these words only, same and first or second or the last or the main, right? So with that you have to use the. So here also the only planet where human beings live. They appear to be dash in dash hurry. So in a hurry. They appear to be in a hurry. This is a common noun. She is dash liar. Liar means what? Who speaks lie, right? So she is a liar. A liar. There is not dash ounce of truth in her words. So here what? Here this she is what? Measuring something. So but that is what? It is ounce of, right? So this ounce is getting started with what? N, right? Because O is there. So the you cannot do here, you cannot do. There is not an ounce of truth in her words. So she is a liar and there is not an ounce of truth in her words. So dear students, here in this video we completed exercise number A and B. Please do this in your books and please study the rules which were related to these both exercises. We did definite articles, we covered here definite articles and indefinite articles. Thank you very much for today. In our next video we will meet with next exercises.